Porsche alarms often trigger due to three main culprits: faulty door latches, oversensitive interior sensors, and battery issues. Door latches can corrode or misalign, sending false signals. Interior sensors, especially in older models, may react to vibrations or temperature changes. Low battery voltage or loose connections can also cause erratic alarm behavior. Identifying which of these is the cause is the first step to fixing the problem. Start with a battery reset by disconnecting the negative terminal for 10 to 15 minutes. This clears error codes. Next, inspect and lubricate door latches or replace them if corroded. For interior sensors, try disabling them temporarily via the infotainment system or use a diagnostic tool to recalibrate sensitivity. If you suspect battery issues, get your battery tested. Remember, aftermarket alarms can conflict with the factory system. If problems persist, especially with newer models, a dealership diagnostic scan is recommended for warranty coverage and accurate fault isolation.